My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea Jessica, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. Today I have this super simple eye look, but with a fun little twist, which is glitter freckles. So the first color we're going to take from the ColourPop palette is the shade Duchess, and we're going to focus that on the crease and then slowly blend out using circle motions. And with using this technique, you'll get a really nice transition between deeper to lighter. And I just pointed out that I had a dry patch on my eye, and I've had this for years now, and it always comes back during the season where it's between hot and cold every single day. So anyways, we're gonna go into the shade Chick, and this is a really nice peachy tone metallic gold color, and I absolutely love how it goes well with Duchess. It's so pretty. So we're gonna pop that onto the lid and kind of make a cut crease, but skipping the concealer method. I've been doing this lately because it's much easier, and I feel like with metallics the majority of the time you don't need the concealer step. And then going back into Duchess, we're going to blend those two colors together and basically going back and forth between the two shades that we just put on. And it's going to create a really nice shift and gradient between the metallic and the matte shade. So as you can see here, you see a beautiful shift between the matte and the metallic, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's so perfect for spring. So next we're going to go in with the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Falsies waterproof mascara. And then we're going to go in with the lashes, which is this Lash Couture by Kiss, the triple push-up collection in the style Brassiere. And as you can see, this look is so simple. I literally just use 2 eyeshadows for this look, and like I said, it's perfect for this season. And you want to make sure to pinch the lashes together to make the real and the fake lashes blend. And then we're going to go back in with Duchess again and basically smoke out the lower lash line and connect it to the upper part of the shadows. And then we're going to go in with the M Cosmetics brush tip liner, and I emphasize on the brush tip because I feel when putting it over a lash band, it's so much easier and smoother because it's a brush, so it separates and glides onto the lash band much easier than a felt tip liner. And the liner itself is so amazing and so good. I always use it for this step. And then going in with the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer, we're going to set the face by putting down a nice moisturizing base, and then going in with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This is just going to give that extra glow that's really nice under the foundation that I'm going to be using. And can we just admire how good these lashes look? Oh my goodness. So next we're going to go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Fiji. And as always, all the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. And also some big exciting news coming in the next couple weeks. If you guys follow me on Twitter and Instagram, you probably know. But if you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on my social media, all at EyesOnJess with 3 S's at the end. So after putting down the foundation with the brush, we're going to blend it out with the sponge, and then going in with the concealer, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. I'm in the shade 180. We're going to go in with the brush technique again and disperse where we want the concealer to go, and really make that lower lash line pretty sharp and clean, especially where it wings out. And then we're just going to buff it out by kind of stippling on the concealer, and then going in with this Real Techniques beauty sponge. It's the gigantic one, and I love it so much. We are going to pat it on and make sure that the base is flawless. And then going in with the Airspun loose face powder, we're going to lightly dust the face because we want to make sure to keep the glow and not mattify the skin so much. As for the under eye though, I like to put a little extra powder and set it for a few seconds before brushing it away because that's where I crease the most. And then we're going to go back in with Chick, and it's the gorgeous metallic shade that we use on the lid, and just bring that down into the inner corner and blend it into the lower lash line. And like I said, this color combo is probably one of my favorites right now. It is so pretty blended together. And then we're going to put some lower lash mascara, and we're using the same exact mascara that we used on the top lashes. And I don't know if it's just me, but I feel completely naked if I forget this step. I don't know, it's just so weird. Now I can never like go without the step after doing my makeup. Let me know in the comments below if you guys feel the same. After setting our face with some facial spray, we're going to go in with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and bronze up the face, sides of the cheek, forehead, and a little bit on the nose. And I just kind of like to do what I think looks good on my face, so feel free to, you know, look in the mirror, analyze your face, and practice where you want to put that bronzer, and, you know, just do what you think looks good on you. And then we're going to go in with my favorite highlighting palette, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and we're mixing the shades Summer and Moonstone. And I love this combination because it's so bright, yet it looks really soft on the skin. And then going in with this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, we're going to mix that peach and golden shade. And you can see the gold peek through a little bit on top of the highlighter, especially on top of the nose. And then going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton, I'm using a fine tip brush, and we're gonna make some false freckles. And I have a little bit of freckles. It's kind of non-existent with the foundation on top, but if I take off the foundation, you can see a little bit of freckles, which honestly I don't know where I got from. But we're gonna place them on randomly and then go on with a sponge and kind of just blur out any harsh freckles. And then going in with some glitter glue, we are gonna pop a few on and then use any gold glitter that you have that's obviously makeup safe, and pop some on random spots. You don't want to cover all the freckles that you did, just some of it to make it really stand out. And I think it looks so cute. I've been wanting to do this look for a really long time, like since, I don't know, maybe like last year or 2 years ago even. And look how cute it looks. It's very subtle, but yet when the light reflects on it, it looks super cute. And for this look, we're going to do a stained lip. So first we're going to dab on some concealer on the lips and then focus the shade on the center and then spread it out. And for this lip color, I'm using the Cosmetics Infinite Lip Cloud in the shade Faded Clementine, and it's an absolutely gorgeous color that goes so well with this look. And did I mention that it smells like hot chocolate to me? It smells so good. And then going in with the Fenty Glow Gloss from Fenty Beauty, we're going to put that focusing on the outer part of the lip and then bringing it in to really get that stained effect. And I may be late to the game, but lately I have been really into the whole stained lip look. It just looks so good, and it's like natural, but it still gives your lips a little bit of life and color. And that, guys, completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I had fun making this look. And as you can see, the glitter is so cute. I can't get over how cute it is. It's so perfect for pictures or like videos of like OOTDs at festivals or wherever you want to go, especially for the spring and summer season. And so I hope you guys recreate this look, and if you did, don't forget to tag me in your photos, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that notification bell so you guys can know every time I upload a video, which is pretty much every week. And as I mentioned before, I have some very big exciting news coming soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from.